दिसा उपरांत तुमकां येवकार. पळोवया फुडल्यो खबरो. म्हादय प्रकरण जेन्ना ट्रिब्युनलांत आशिल्लें तेन्ना कर्नाटकान धरण्याचें काम चालूच दवरिल्लें आनी आतां हें प्रकरण सर्वोच्च न्यायालयांत आसतनाय ट्रिब्युनलान एकतर्फी निर्णय घेतला. फाटले फावट हांव मंत्र्याक मेळोन हाचेर समजिकायेन निर्णय घेवपा विशीं उलयल्लो. मुखेलमंत्र्यान हाचेर घाळ न रावता बेगोबेग हाचेर कारवाय करून गोंय आनी गोंयकारांचें हित सांबाळचें म्हण दक्षिण गोंयचे खासदार फ्रांसीस सार्दिनान मागणी केल्या. आरडीएक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
When it was in the tribunal, water tribunal, it is very unfortunate that Karnataka continued construction of the dam. Now unilaterally the tribunal has gone ahead when the matter is still in the Supreme Court. In the last session I had met the minister and I requested him, please to apply your mind before you take any decision, because Bhadai is the lifeline of Goa. So they say that some of the water goes into the sea. Unless you prove it, have you measured? One point. Second point, it will also depend upon the season. During the rainy season, when all the dams are overflowing, there is so much of water, surely the water has to go to the sea. But we have to check after the rain during the dry spell of time, the dry season. So my point is, I request the Chief Minister of the state not to lie down, be in a hurry, and safeguard the interests of the state and Goans.